Hello friends, in this video we will show you how to install our connectors on a server or virtual machine using a DigitalOcean Droplet. My name is Javier Núñez. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email or WhatsApp.
Our example will use the Power BI HubSpot connector installed on hubspot.autox.com, but the process is exactly the same for Pipedrive and Jira connectors. You just need to use the appropriate subdomains or domains and folders. All the instructions and commands that we will see in this video can be found on our website. The link appears in the video description. First, we'll create a DigitalOcean Droplet using the LAMP image, which provides a ready-to-use Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP setup. Log into your DigitalOcean account and click on Create Droplets. Go to the marketplace and search for LAMP. Create your droplet and note down the public IP address. Next, we'll configure the subdomain where our connector will run. Connect to your droplet via the console. Create a folder for your subdomain. In your hosting panel, create an A record for your subdomain pointing to the droplet's public IP. Now let's configure Apache to serve the connector at the subdomain. Create a new virtual host configuration file. Add the following configuration to the file. Save and exit. Enable the site and reload Apache using these commands. Finally, test the configuration to ensure everything is working correctly. Look for syntax OK to confirm. Now let's secure the subdomain with HTTPS using certbot. If it fails, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes DNS propagation can take some time. To install PHP curl, follow these steps. Update the package list. Check the PHP version. Install PHP curl for your PHP version. Create an index.php file in this folder. Copy the source code from the GitHub repository. Visit your subdomain in a browser, in our case, hubspot.odocs.com. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see an error message like this. Don't worry, that's expected. It means the connector is working, but you're not authenticated yet. Authentication will be sent when you connect from Power BI. And that's it. You've successfully installed our connector on a DigitalOcean Droplet. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.